Hello everyone, I'm JK as usual. I want to take you through the three techniques for having protective hairstyles, most especially if you like braids, that is threes or twists. These are the three techniques that people don't know, the three secrets. One of them, you can use molding gel when you're gripping your hair. This molding gel is very good, especially this dark one. And then firstly, make your boxes like this. This is the first step, and make sure when you're doing these boxes you include in small kinky. Just add a little kinky. This kinky helps to strengthen your hair, and it helps when you're twisting, you're gripping the braids to the hair. Yes, for the neat strands, and it gives it some more support. This is step number one. And step number two is about crocheting. Then here, don't do anything else, just get your crochet and make your braids through these boxes you've made, just like this. This is the most protective way, and this is the second step. And after that, step number three, start twisting your hair just like this. Make sure you add in small energy so that this hair is neatly combined with the braids you've added into your boxes. And this is how it is supposed to be, and this is the way you twist it for neatness and then for great outlook. This is how you twist it. You can have this tail comb, and then make sure you start very well. It can help you to connect the braids with the hair very well, just like this. And then you start twisting it. This is the right way, and people don't know these three techniques. So far I've given you two. We are going to the third one. Actually, this is the third one. Yeah, this is the third one. This twisting is the third one. The first one was make your boxes. The second one, then use a crochet hook to crochet your braids into the boxes you've made, and then start twisting. People don't know how to twist this, but this is the only protective way of twisting your braids, especially when you're doing passion twist. If you're doing twos or if you're twisting, this is the most perfect way you can do it. That's why people have been asking me what are the secrets to my neat strands, my neat passion twists. These are the secrets, and follow them very well. And don't forget step number 4, trim your hair very well, and then you can add on a spray plus leveling down. As I'm leveling it, you cut off the dead ends, and this hair is very good. You can style it. It's very pain free. Actually, one of the secrets, it is pain free. It's stylable in any way you want. It's washable, it's swimmable, it's very easy to handle. Yes, everyone should try these techniques I've taught you in this video. Thank you so much. I hope you are going to subscribe if you haven't, and share this video. See you